Hey girl, hey. So today I'm going to be installing this 13 by 4 blonde lace frontal wig from AshimaryHair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But yeah, this is a blonde wig with some dark blonde highlights. And it is coming off a little green on camera. I think it's really because of my background, because I tried playing around with different settings. I tried changing like the color scheme in this video and it just was not working. So I do believe it was my black background that was playing around with the color on this wig. So yeah girl, let me go ahead and flatten this wig out and think of the style that I'm going to do with this wig. Now this wig did not come like pre-plucked, of course. The knots did not come bleached, of course, because this is a blonde wig. I don't know if this wig came on like a HD or transparent lace or anything, because it wasn't given that in the video. I really wish it was, because it would have made the blending process a little bit more easier. But I'm going to get into it. I'm going to make it work. So yeah, let me go ahead and secure the wig down and I'll be back. Alright, so now that I got all the lace removed and I got my headband on to secure the lace, I'm going to go ahead and straighten this wig so that you girls can see all the different highlights in this wig, all the different blonde highlights in this wig. And also so you girls can see that although this wig has like a texture to it, more like a, I don't want to say deep wave, but like a crimp texture to it, you can definitely straighten this wig and it's going to straighten well as expected. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this hair. Now I'm not trying to get it super bone straight, because I am going to come back and restyle this hair with curls, so I'm not really, you know, too pressed on getting the hair super straight. Okay, so the wig straightened great as I expected for it to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the headband. The wig is secured. I did go ahead and add some concealer to my part off camera, because as you know with blonde wigs, it does not give scalp at all. And here I'm trying to go in and tint the lace or the hairline just a little bit so that it blends into my skin. And right here is perfect. This wig right here, the lace, how everything blends is perfect. I don't know what happened later on in the video when I tried to curl my hair. I'm going to show y'all in a minute, but I was tripping like, girl. So anyways, yeah, this is what the wig looks like when you want to wear it straight. It's super cute. It don't take a whole lot, like especially like if you want to wear a blonde wig and you don't want to do all the extra stuff with, you know, bleaching the lace and tinting the lace and getting the knots to be darker. Like, this is a really good wig that you can literally just, you know, Cut the lace, put it on, style it however you want, and it's going to give, you know, a nice blonde look. So nevertheless though, we're going to get into another style with this wig because I just, you know, I didn't want to do straight hair with this blonde wig. I really wanted to do some fun curls for the girls. So y'all know I'm loving my T3 new curling iron. I actually picked up a new one for Black Friday. Girl, I'm so excited about that one because it was on sale. That thing was like $300 some dollars, but I caught it on sale, so I'm here for it. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. I did add some layers to the front of my hair only. I did not like layer my hair the way I normally do, which is like chopping my hair completely off. But yeah, girl, just added a little bit of layers here so that my curls do what it needs to do in the front. This wig did come with a little bit of layers in the front as well. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit. Okay, so the front of this hair curled really good, but I think because the hair is so long, the ends just wasn't holding the curl too well. But as you can see, the front of the hair curled really good. So I did not want to cut any of this hair, so I just decided to just go with the loose curl vibe. But here's where I fucked up at. Y'all know me. I love a little bit of volume at my head, like at the top of my bangs. Girl, I fucked around and forgot I had on a blonde wig. Because, you know, with blonde hair, especially like with the lace, it can give off a wiggy vibe if you're not careful. And I guess I wasn't careful because I do not like how the lace looks on this particular style. Like, I should have just left my bangs down. It has nothing to do with the hair. It's the way I chose to style my hair. Now, I did decide to change the color of my shirt in the end of this video because I felt like that too was contributing to that green color that you were seeing earlier on in the video. So yeah, I just put on a black shirt and that definitely helped with the look. And this is like the loose curl look that I got with this style. Super cute. I would definitely probably go in and tint the lace if you wanted to, just to get more of a darker roots. But if you don't have time and you don't want to do that, you can definitely vibe out with this wig, put it on and go out the door, honey, and go on about your day. So I'm going to leave all the information below on AshimaryHair so that you girls can check out their wigs and also check out their sale that they're having right now for the holidays. So yeah, girl, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.